What up, YouTube? It's your boy KO, man, back with another video, man. And today I got a message for the new traders. New traders, this message is for you. If y'all new to the channel, welcome to Trash the Trader. Hit a like and subscribe. And let's get started with this video, man. So today, Friday, the 20th, I had a good day in the market. I traded Core Weave. I traded SPY. And I had an awesome, amazing day. I had a couple phone calls that just irked my nerves, man. A couple family members, friends, people that watch my videos and got into the market and they just put money in the market. I'm glad y'all put money in the market, man. I'm real glad y'all put money in the market. But you're not listening to the videos. You just put money in the market and you don't know what you're doing. Now y'all calling me talking about the market done turned you into a smoothie. What's a smoothie? What happened to a smoothie? It got put in the blender. Man, I done got about 3 phone calls today. People that got put in the blender by the stock market today, man. And it's just irking my nerves, man, that y'all not listening to me, man. So please watch this video. This for y'all. Y'all know who y'all are, man. But man, so let me start this off by saying, if you new to trading, if you new to the stock market, you just started the stock market, you should not be day trading. No day trading. If you're new to the market, you should be building a portfolio. Building a portfolio and learning everything you can. So, man, I just got to take this back to my story, man. Like, yeah, y'all heard how I made $3,000 in one day, $1,500 in one day. That's all that's true. How I grew my account to $10,000 in 30 days, starting with $250. That's all true. But what I didn't tell y'all is, yeah, after I grew my account to 10,000, let me start off by saying this. When I got in the market, it was a bear market. I got in a week before the market crashed. Literally, it turned into a bear market. You don't even know what a bear market is if you knew. So let me say this. A bear market is when the trend is going down. A bull market is when the trend is going up. So I got in a bear market. Hey, what can I say? It was easy to win. All you had to do was put a put on damn near any stock because all of them was going down. Put a put on it, went down, I won money. That was easy. That's how I got my account to 10,000 fast. Is I was in a bear market. It was easy. You just put a put on it and it go down. But when the market changed and it started coming back up, yeah, my account was at 10,000. So it started coming back up. And guess what started happening? I went on a 2-week losing streak. 2 weeks, every day, losing. And I couldn't figure out, why was I losing? What is I'm doing wrong? I was just winning. How's I'm losing? So from $10,000, my account got all the way to $3,000. From 10 to 3, I lost $7,000 in 2 weeks. How? I was doing everything wrong. I wasn't no stop losses, fear of missing out, 2, 3, 4 trades a day, revenge trading, no system. You know what system stand for? Save yourself time, energy, and money. You need a system. So let me tell you what saved me. So when I got my account to 10, I went on that 2-week losing streak, went all the way back down to 3,000. So let me tell you what saved me. Every time I won money, I bought whole shares. Every time. So when I got back down to 3,000, I didn't have no buying power. All my buying power was gone. I had $3,000 in whole shares. That's what saved me. So you know what I did? I took $1,000 out of whole shares, sold them, got $1,000, and I started back day trading. But this time, I started with a system. That $1,000 blew my account back up. I started with a system. I started to listening to all my rules. These my rules and I wasn't even following them. So I started listening to my rules, started a system, and I started steadily climbing my account back up. That's the whole point of this. Day trading is just quick money. You trying to hit a lick, that's you're gonna get some money real quick. But if you don't got no system, or if you don't got no strategy, you're not gonna win. You're gonna get put in the blender every time. Trust me, I know. So all I'm trying to say is, you watching this video, do not day trade if you just got in the market. Build you a portfolio. Get you 10 stocks that you like, three ETFs, three dividends, three growth stocks, or four growth stocks. Just get 10 stocks. Get one share each. One share each. One whole share each of 10 stocks. Then holla at me. DM me. Talking about you want to day trade then. Then we can start day trading. Like, but if you don't got no portfolio built out, I'm sorry. I cannot day trade with you. I can't give you no advice because I don't want you. I want to see you win. I don't want to see you lose. And then here go another note, man. I had some people say, I want to put money in the market, but I don't got time to watch the charts. I done heard that before. Okay, if you want to put money in the market, but you don't want to watch the charts, for one, you cannot be a day trader. A day trader, you need to watch the charts. A day trader need to learn the charts. A day trader need to have a strategy. So if you don't got none of them three, and you think you about to be a day trader, it's not gonna happen. So if you don't got time to watch the charts, maybe you need to think about swing trading. Swing trading is when you buy a contract on Monday and you push it out. You push it out a week. You push it out 2 weeks. That's swing trading. You don't got to watch the charts. Apple is going to go up by Friday. Put a call on it. Check it back Friday. That's if you don't have time to look at the charts. And another thing, if you day trading and you got your portfolio built out, you day trading, don't start day trading ETFs. I know you heard me say I made money with ETFs, the SPY, but that's not what I started with. I started with Johnson & Johnson and I started with Pepsi. Now, them slow movers, but they good to stretch out for a week. They good to stretch out for 2 weeks. They good to stretch your options out. Do not start trading ETFs. ETFs expire in 1 day. So if you trade Monday and you say, hey, the SPY is going to go up, you probably only got it for 1 day. So if the SPY don't go up in that 1 day, you lose. Other stocks that's not ETFs, they give you time. You can buy a stock on Monday and it won't expire till Friday. If you're new in the game and you don't know what you're doing, please give yourself time. Okay, Apple is going to go up from 190 to 200. I put a call in on Monday. It go up to 200 on Friday. I take my money. It might go up 200 on Wednesday. You can take it Wednesday. But give yourself time. Just say you're going down. You put a put. Okay, Apple is going down. Monday, you put it on Monday. You say Apple going down, but it don't go down Monday. It go up. Maybe Tuesday it go down. Maybe Wednesday it go down. You give yourself time. If you give yourself time, you got a better chance of winning. A big better chance. ETFs, it's risky to day trade if you don't know what you're doing. Yes, I trade ETFs, but I'm a little bit more experienced. So please don't watch the first part of the video and be like, okay, I got it. I'm telling you, I'm happy that y'all got in the market. I'm happy. But start investing, please. Please start investing. Build your portfolio off. Y'all got any messages? Leave a comment in here. I'll answer to all my comments. I will answer the best way I can to help you guys out, but I want to see you win. I don't want to see you lose. I don't want to keep getting calls like I'm getting, hey, man, what's going on, man? I put $300 in the market and I traded an option play and I'm out. It took all my money. Man, you don't even know what you're doing. Did you hear the other rules I said in my other video? Do not put money on what you don't know about. Do not invest in stuff you don't know about. If you don't know about the stock market, don't try to come in and hit a lick. You sound like you at the casino. You want to just come in and win money. Don't know what you do. I'm just going to put my money here and I hope it blow up. You got a surprise coming. The market will humble you so quick. And for my people that called me and messaged me today, you see, it humbles you so quick. Now, I hope you that don't discourage you, but I'm telling you, just start building out a portfolio. Listen to this. People pay thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars to go to college, to get a degree. And still with that degree, you still have to go punch a clock. You still have to go work a 9 to 5. So with that being said, this right here, trading, investing, will change your life. You wouldn't have to punch no clock. It would build growth, wealth, financial wealth. Like it would build that for you without having to punch a clock. So I'm saying that to say, buy a course, buy a book, watch more videos, invest in it, invest in your future. If this is it and you think this is it for you, invest in it. People invest in what make their life grow. So why not invest in something? Me personally, I'm a self-taught trader. I taught myself everything I know. I read books, I watch videos. Yeah, I buy a course, but it's hundreds of different strategies out there. I found me a strategy that's profitable and that works for me. So if I find somebody else that got that same strategy or close to it and they got a course, yeah, I'll buy it. Why wouldn't I learn from somebody that got years in the game and been doing it way better than me and successful? Why wouldn't I pay to learn from them? People always skeptical about paying somebody else to learn something, but you would go pay thousands of dollars, $100,000 for a teacher, a stranger, to teach you something. Do the same thing in the stock market. If you do that, you will save yourself time, energy, and money. System. Do you hear that? Save yourself time, energy, and money. I want all my people to win that's in the stock market game. And man, this video it was killing me, man. I'm having a good day in the market. Core Weave went crazy. SPY went down just like I predicted because I know how to read the charts. My strategy is support and resistance. It's that support, I put a call on it. Ride it to resistance. It go to resistance, I get out, I win. I put a put on it. Ride it back down to support. Get out, win. Support and resistance. It's the easiest strategy you can do. That's the strategy that I do. I mean, if you want me to teach you that strategy, leave a comment or something, man. Comment strategy in the messages, and I'll get with you and we can work on this. You know what I'm saying? Because I want everybody to win, man. If you think the stock market was just that easy where you could just come put money in it and print money, man, what is that easy like that? Everybody be doing it. The whole world would be rich. You know what I'm saying? So just watch this video again twice. Make sure y'all building y'all portfolios out, man. Buy y'all a stock, a share, whenever you can, whatever free money you got. If you need help building your portfolio out, you can watch another video where I show you how to build a portfolio out. And just, man, keep on rocking, keep on learning, and just keep on running it up in the stock market, man. But just make sure y'all do it right. This KO, man, Trash from Trader, and I'm out, man. God bless y'all. Have a good day.